Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today is, what's the date today, Martin? July 31.
Today is a
Wednesday.
sunny day.
Yeah, it's very sunny. Anyway, pinick up ako ni Martin guys dito sa Berkerol Station. Kasi,
Have you waited a long time?
no. Yeah, actually. Kasi galing siya sa physical therapy. Ako naman galing ako sa kuskus guys, ganyan. So, now we're done with those activities and we're both hungry. So, we're gonna try, no, we're not gonna try, but we will eat in this pizza place, our favorite pizza place here in Berkerol. And it's called, what is it called? I can see it now, but I cannot read it. It's called Grano and Lupolo. They actually make really good pizza. Ganon. But my tummy is not so nice today actually. I've been eating a lot of apples and all that thing. Okay.
You take coffee with your cream. You squeak like a teen.
Guys, wrong move. Close sila. Sa Friday na lang open. Anyway, ngayon, the quest for finding food
Has begun.
has become what?
Has begun.
I'm fine. So are we gonna be eating? In the beach area? We also gonna do that, right? There's maybe too many people there or what?
I just think it's too windy. Look at the trees.
Sana hindi siya blurry. Okay. So guys, this is what's happening now. Our favorite pizza place in this area is closed. So there is this cafe that I really like in Hillerod, where I worked in that area. So it's called Cafe Kick. And I mean the food normal in a way. It's a little bit expensive, but the view is also really super nice. Like you can see the palace and the water. So it will be nice there. So we'll try to go there. That's the plan. I hope there's not so much people kasi pag madaming tao, wala, baka sa loob tayo upo. I don't like to sit inside kasi nga yung view is nasa outside pa. Anyway, yun. Bye. We go eat and maybe we go to the ER or what? How are they gonna do it? Are they gonna scan us if ever? Shocking. And the woman, she was like so ice cold in a way.
Also in shock. Got it that it's her mistake that she did it. So there's no debate about
Did
this.
you record it?
Got it to.
Of course, it's her mistake. Let me see. Hi, Martin.
Jeg ved ikke, han har påkørt der på Kongevejen i Helsingør.
Shocking. Kita niyo ba? There. Bangga. Oh? Yeah. Okay. Street food pala yung ending natin, guys, after. Oh my God, nasa-shock pa din ako ba? Masakit yung likod ko, ah. My back is hurting.
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff. But slowly
So, Greek food again for you. You're really into this kind of food, no?
Yes,
Like Indian, Greek. Okay.
a flower is a flower, it is just a flower, it's just another flower. It's not a moonlit night, it is not a skin deep metaphor. Stop trying to search for meaning when you know that there is nothing there. There is no grand scheme, just let it be a flower. Your life is just a life, it is just a life, it's just another life.
I have to say that, like, the best ramen I had, right, was it in Hong Kong? In the airport? Remember when there's like a lot of people and you have to like choose yourself? Or Singapore? It could also be Dubai. I don't know.
It was Dubai.
Was it?
A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored. I check my email and I decide to answer later. Another cup of coffee and I drag myself to work. My life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep, and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I'm sitting there at work and I realized I forgot to wake up. I can't be productive when I'm dreaming about a sheep. I go upstairs and get myself another cup of coffee. I get downstairs and then I spill it on the floor. Well, my life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep, and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. Lunch hour's over and I can't stay up. I've got to drink coffee, but that's a mistake. I'd best switch to decaf or I'll stay awake. My life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. Oh, I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I stick to what I know. I stick to what I know.
Guys, update ko lang kayo ha. Wait lang. Okay, update ko lang kayo. After namin kumain, nagsuka ako guys kasi masakit ang ulo ko, yung dahil sa ano ba, yung pagbangga nga sa sasakyan, yung likod ko dito, ang tawag nito, yung liig ko masakit, yung sa likod masakit, so nagpunta kaming emergency sa hospital. Grabe ang tagal namin doon, ang dami mga pasyente, pero in-scan nila yung liig ko, ganyan. Tapos buti na lang wala siyang fractured, pero masakit talaga siya guys, parang ang sakit gumanon, oh sakit yan, no? Tapos sabi ng doctor na it could be just the muscle, the nerves whatsoever, and then I'm gonna have some pain relievers, but then the pharmacy is closed now. It's like almost 9 in the evening, so we're gonna do that tomorrow, and then maybe I'm gonna have some kind of treatments like muscle treatments, all those things. Oh my God, ang gusto ko lang talaga today, sana kumain tapos may ganitong pangyayari. Anyway, I got my papers, my guidelines here from the hospital, like, you know, symptoms, what to do, all that if mag-continue yung parang sakit sa ulo ko. Parang feeling ko parang, alam niyo yung parang masakit yung ulo niyo kasi nakainom, parang ganun yung sakit sa dito. Tapos ang ewan ko ba. Anyway, happy pa rin kasi buhay pa tayo. Buhay. Yeah, yun guys. Yun lang. Anyway, pauwi na kami. It's been a very, very long day. And yeah, I think that's it. See you when I see you.